Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Maps and signing into your Google account. This links saved areas. Tap the profile icon, then choose Offline Maps. Once there, select your own map to begin defining the area. Drag and pinch to include the region you need. Larger areas require more storage. Make sure your device stays online during the initial fetch. You're already saving time later. This first step sets boundaries and confirms now you define the exact map area and options. Pinch to zoom the rectangular selection until it covers the roads and landmarks you'll need. You can expand or shrink it for storage control. Tap Download, give the map a recognizable name, and choose whether to allow updates over Wi-Fi. Once you start, the app will fetch tiles and POI data. This can take minutes. Make sure battery is adequate, large downloads drain power, and stay on a stable connection. Finish by verifying the download in Offline Maps. You'll see size and expiration. You can schedule updates or tap Update Now to refresh details when on Wi-Fi. If a map won't load offline, clear app cache, check storage permissions, and confirm the file wasn't deleted. Once done, you can navigate and search without a connection. If problems persist, sign out and back in or reinstall Google Maps. That typically restores proper offline functionality and resolves sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.